Top 10 Korean actors who died young in 2025.
Kim Se-ron. South Korean actress Kim Se-ron was found dead in her home February 16. The Bloodhound star was 24. The acting community is mourning one of its own. Kim Se-ron, who starred in the Netflix series Bloodhounds, was found dead at her home, Yonhap news agency reported February 16, citing police. The South Korean actress was 24. A friend of Kim who was going to meet her had visited her home and discovered her and called the police, the South Korean outlet reported. "We have not found any signs of foul play as of yet," a police official told Yonhap news agency, "but we are investigating the circumstances of the death." Kim last acted on screen as Kim Hyun-yo in the South Korean series Bloodhounds, which was released on Netflix in 2023. She began her on-screen acting career at age 8 with a role in the movie A Brand New Life. She later starred in films such as The Man from Nowhere, A Girl at My Door and the 2018 The Villagers before largely concentrating on television projects. In 2022, her career stalled following a drunk driving incident, in which she crashed her car into a guardrail and a transformer and was sentenced to a fine of 20 million won, $13,850. Yonhap news agency reported. The world was too unkind to Kim Se-ron because of one mistake of hers. Rest in peace, Se-ron. Thank you for trying and being a bright soul. We will miss you.
1. Song Jae-rim. On 12 November 2024, Song was found dead at his home in Seongdong district, Seoul at around 12:30. An official from the Seongdong police station said that there was no evidence of foul play. Various news agencies reported that the police found a note at the scene. Song's funeral was held at the Uido Street Meyers Funeral Hall on 14 November. The family wished for a small service and offered no cause of death. 2. Park Min-jae. Park Min-jae born on 25 June 1992. He was a South Korean drama actor. He was best known for his roles in dramas Little Women, 2022, and True to Love, 2023. While not having health issues, Min-jae died while on voyage in China on 29 November 2024, at the age of 32, from a cardiac arrest. His death received worldwide media attention. A funeral hall has been set up at Room 7 of the Seoul Asan Medical Center. The funeral service is scheduled for 27 October at 7 a.m., with the burial to follow at Seon Family Memorial Park. Korean actress Kim Byung-sun passes away at 37 after tragically losing battle with cancer. The Korean entertainment industry was shocked and saddened by the untimely passing of actress Kim Byung-sun on 24 October 2023. At the young age of 37, she succumbed to a chronic illness after a brave fight. 4. Cha In-na. Former member of the boy band group Surprise You, also the famous actor in the drama series Love with Flaws and Are You Human Too? He left the world only at the age of 27, on 3 December. It was reported that the artist was found dead in his apartment while his death cause still remains an open suspicious case to this day because when their agency, Fantagio, was confronted about the matter, they did not release any official announcement and requested everyone not to make any negative assumptions and to protect his family's affair. What was more heartbreaking, his last Instagram post where he told the fans to take care of themselves and to stay warm. Perhaps he knew what was going to happen. 5. Park Ji-ah. Ji-ah's sudden death news created a shockwave among fans and netizens as it was unexpected. Ji-ah played the role of Jeong Mi-hee, the psychologically disturbed mother of Dong Yoon. Her powerful performance and passion for acting was truly breathing and refreshing. Ji-ah was one of those exceptional actresses whose love for acting meant more than their lives. She decided to visit a rehab center but couldn't because of various reasons, and to physically appear like Jeong Mi-hee she had to lose a lot of weight. All her hard work eventually paid off and she was getting the recognition she truly deserved. However, over the years Park Ji-ah was suffering silently both physically and mentally. Just like that, on 30th September, she passed away due to a brain stroke only at the age of 52. Her funeral was held at the Asan Medical Center. The Glory co-stars attended her funeral and Song Hye-kyo expressed her grief by sending flowers and stated Park Ji-ah will always be remembered in everyone's heart, her legacy will always be embedded in everyone's mind. Park Ji-ah will be truly missed. While Ji-ah's case was truly shocking, this actor before even experiencing the best part of life departed from this world too soon. Speaking of knowing their outcome, this award-winning actor's death created a massive awareness in South Korea. 6. Lee Sun-kyu. Parasite, actor Lee Sun-kyu's death case made the entire South Korea go radio silent. Sun-kyu was charged with a which he was not a part of. Due to the controversy, several endorsements cut off their contract with him and his upcoming projects were being cancelled one by one. He was helpless to the point he watched his life crumble down all while, and he couldn't do anything to repair the damage done. Media outlets handled the situation in a very negative light, not understanding how the gravity of the situation was affecting Lee Sun-kyu's mental health, and at last he couldn't take it anymore, and on 27 December, the police found him dead in his car. His wife and close friends were devastated by the news. 7. Park Bo-ram. Bo-ram was one of the most talented singers in the Korean industry before passing away. Her last OST in the drama Reply 1988 soundtrack is something which no one can shake it off to this day. Park Bo-ram on 25th March she was having a glass of drinks with her friends and after a while went to the washroom. She wasn't coming out for a long time and the police were called. When they arrived, Bo-ram was found dead in the bathroom sink. Later autopsy reports revealed she died a heart attack. Bo-ram was only 30 years old. 8. Nachul. Actor Nachul from Vincenzo, Little Women, and Hospital Playlist S2, he was a well-known person in the industry better known for his supporting roles. He died at the age of 36. It was last reported that Nachul was going through a long-term illness which was not disclosed, but there were several complications going on and while receiving treatment his condition worsened which led to his demise. 9. Jung Chae-yul. Actress Chae-yul's death still remains a mystery to this day. While working for the series Wedding Impossible, she was found dead in her apartment on 11th April. While the matter of her sudden passing away was not disclosed, this raised many eyebrows and people started to become more aware about the mental health issues of South Korea. 10. Moonbin. Astro's Moonbin's death case is probably one of the most heartbreaking ones so far in the list. Aroha, Moon Soo and Cha Yoon-woo were extremely devastated by the shocking news when it was reported Moon Bin passed away in his apartment and his manager was the one who found his dead body. Fantagio never revealed the details of his death news. Only at the age of 25. Which Korean actor's death shocked you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.